morning, students of class 10th. Today we are going to discuss about session number 4 of unit 6, that is email messaging intermediate. In session number 4 we are going to learn about share a calendar. While we are working in our Outlook, Microsoft Outlook, we can easily share our calendar. It is very much useful when more than one person or various parties are involved in a meeting, event, discussion, or task. At that time, we can easily share our calendar. Once we are sharing our calendar, we can when we are making any changes or rescheduling the calendar, then these updates are going to reflect back to all the other members of the parties. Okay, this means जब हम अपना कैलेंडर किसी के साथ शेयर करते हैं एट दैट टाइम अगर हम कुछ भी चेंजेस करते हैं अपने कैलेंडर में तो वो चेंजेस बाकी सबको भी रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे जिनके साथ हमने वो कैलेंडर शेयर किया है. नेक्स्ट इज कैलेंडर शेयरिंग इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ collaborative professional working. Okay, collaboration means here the collaborative means the same as collaboration when more than two or more parties come together to work. Okay, similarly जब हम calendar share करते हैं then also we are collaborating with other pupils also, other professionals also. It also keep everyone reminded and updated of the approaching important days and the appointments. शेयरिंग ऑफ कैलेंडर से हमें क्या हेल्प मिलती है? जब हम अपना कैलेंडर शेयर करते हैं एट दैट टाइम इफ़ सम मीटिंग आर इम्पॉर्टेंट or any of the task is important, then it is going to be updated by to each and every person that there is a task and you have to attend them, there is a meeting that you have to do. Okay. Next, to share a calendar you must have email account configured with Outlook. So to use this feature of share a calendar, what is necessary that you must have an email account configured with the Outlook. Next, we are having sharing the calendar on email. So for sharing the calendar on email, what you have to do, first of all, you have to click on the email calendar option that is given in share group of the home tab. So if I'm telling you directly, then you have to click on the home tab. Once you go on the home tab, there is a group known as share. On share group, you are having an email calendar option and you have to click on the email calendar option. Once you click on the email calendar option, and a dialog box appears, or you can say pop up. Select you need to share a day, a range of days, whole calendar, etc. Then click on OK. So it is up to you that what number of days, weeks, month, year, or about the whole calendar, what you want to share with the other person. सो सिंपली क्या करना है आपको? पहले तो आपको होम टैब में जाना है. होम टैब में जाने के बाद शेयर ग्रुप में जाएंगे. इन शेयर ग्रुप देयर इज़ एन ऑप्शन ऑफ ईमेल कैलेंडर. जब आप ईमेल कैलेंडर पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपके पास एक डायलॉग बॉक्स आ जाएगा. उस डायलॉग बॉक्स में आप ये डिसाइड करेंगे कि आपको अपना कैलेंडर का एक दिन, कुछ दिन, हफ्ता, महीना, साल या पूरा कैलेंडर क्या भेजना चाहते हैं, क्या शेयर करना चाहते हैं. आप वो ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट कीजिए एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द ओके बटन. I'm having a image in which there are various tabs containing different groups. Here is a dialog box of send a calendar via email. Sorry. This is the dialog box on which जब आप क्या कहते हैं just a minute, जब आप ईमेल कैलेंडर ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करते हैं तब आपका ये डायलॉग बॉक्स पॉपअप हो जाएगा. ओके, ये आपका डायलॉग बॉक्स आ गया. इसमें हमारे पास क्या है? कैलेंडर, दिस कंप्यूटर ओनली, मतलब विच टाइप ऑफ. इसमें आपके पास यहाँ पे देखिए जस्ट अ मिनट, Again, this is a dialog box and this is a drop down option. Okay, when you click on this drop down button, जब आप इस drop down पे क्लिक करेंगे तो कई सारे ऑप्शंस आ जाएंगे. लाइक डेट रेंज में आपके पास क्या है, यहाँ फिर से एक ड्रॉप डाउन ऑप्शन है. जैसे ही आपने इस एरो पे क्लिक किया टुडे पे, नीचे चीज़ें आ गई. दैट क्या आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं, कितने दिन के लिए आप अपना कैलेंडर या कितना एक्सेस आप अपने कैलेंडर का प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं. दैट फॉर अ डे और फॉर 2 और 7 days, 30 months, पूरा कैलेंडर या फिर कुछ स्पेसिफिक डेज फ्रॉम टू. ओके, नेक्स्ट लास्टली what you have to do, you have to click on the OK button. Once you finish with clicking on the OK button, you have to write the email IDs. Like सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या होता है, अगर हम किसी को ईमेल भेज रहे हैं, वी मस्ट हैव द रेसिपेंट, हम किसे भेजना चाह रहे हैं. ओके, सो हियर इट इज़, हम किसे भेजना चाह रहे हैं. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट आर सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, जब आप इतना करके सेंड करेंगे तो आपका जो कैलेंडर है वो शेयर हो जाएगा. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग sharing the calendar by publishing. Means we can publish our calendar, and once we finish with publishing of our calendar, it is going to be automatically shared by the other people. So calendar can be published by company's website or any other authorized web server. Okay, so to publish our calendar we use WebDAV server. Here it is. Okay, so to publish the calendar, what are the steps? Click on the publish to WebDAV server from the publish online drop down in the share group of the home tab. So अगर डायरेक्टली बताएं तो just a minute. Firstly you have to go on home tab. In home tab you are having share option. Here it is not visible clearly. In share group you are having publish online option. You have to click on this option. Once you finished with clicking on this option, you find option publish to web server. So first step is you have to go on home tab. In home tab you have to go to share group. In share group you are having publish option. In publish option आप जब ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू आएगा उसमें आपको क्लिक करना है publish to WebDAV server. So now what is WebDAV server? It is a web distributed authoring and versioning is an extension, HTTP extension. Okay, this allow us to modify, publish and create the content on the server. It is well written here. Write the full form in your notebooks, that web distributed authoring and versioning. Okay, and here HTTP is hyper text transfer protocol. Now what are the protocols? So the set of rules and regulation are the protocols. Next you have to write the locations, okay, and the other entries that you have to fill. Finally you have to click on the OK button. So here you can see, here you have to write the location. These are the other details that you have to fill, like the time span and the details like availability only, किस square time will be shown as free, busy, tentative, working elsewhere or out of the office. Okay, and finally what you have to do, you have to just click on the OK button and you can easily share your calendar. So moving next, we are having session number 5. In session number we are having print a calendar. How to print a calendar? Okay, so printing a calendar is quite easy. not that difficult task. Simply you have to go on the file tab. In file tab you have to click the print option. Here it is mentioned. फाइल टैब में आप किस पे जाएंगे, प्रिंट ऑप्शन पे, और प्रिंट प्रीव्यू के लिए क्लिक करेंगे. जस्ट अ मिनट स्टूडेंट्स.